Today, we're doing yet another exciting site visit and we'll take you inside a spacious house located in Wisconsin of the US. The house has 2 stories and a total area of 11,000 square feet and had specifically chosen to install Ecoer smart heat pump and AC systems. As we all know, houses of this type and size has a high requirement for air supply and quality. Today, when most heat pump and AC systems on the market provide cooling and heating for 500 or less square feet per ton, Ecoer smart heat pump and AC systems provide stable air solutions for up to 1,000 square feet per ton. Therefore, with only 3 Ecoer smart heat pump and AC systems, 1 5-ton unit and 2 units of 3-ton Ecoer, this 11,000 square feet house's air cooling and heating demands were successfully met. This greatly shows that Ecoer products are highly efficient and energy-saving. In addition, Ecoer smart products are less labor-intensive to install and maintenance is simple.